Hi, I'm John Valentino, president of John and Bob's Corporation. I'm here with Chip at a garden remodel. I'm a landscape contractor and a landscape architect. And in today's video, we're going to dispel all the misunderstandings about applying our product, which is extremely simple. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Chip and I plan to be doing a lot more videos for you. If you like them, please click on like and click on subscribe and click on the bell so that you'll be notified every Sunday when we post our new videos. I like to throw it on by hand, and even though I get my hand all dirty, that's a perfectly good way to do it. None of these have to be real precise applications. With this, it's more in a broad general area we're applying. But if you don't want to throw it on by hand, or you prefer some type of mechanical way of spreading it, then you can use spreaders, some type of whirlybird spreader, and you push it and it spins as you push it, and most of the settings are towards the low end. A lot of times you need to experiment because the spreaders do have a lot of variability. Most of them are 2, 3, 4 settings on most of our products. This was our first product, and Optimize is made up of really concentrated organic matter. And you know what organic matter does for soil. It essentially feeds microbes and allows microbes to build in the soil. And we mixed with that concentrated organic matter a little bit of organic iron and 2 sources of organic calcium. And we found that the calcium and just a little bit of iron make this concentrated organic matter work more effectively. And Optimize will do it work if you use it by itself. You know, we're using it with other products to speed it up. If you use it by itself, it will do the same thing over a long period of time as all the products. It has no live microbes in it. It's food for microbes, and that's why we came up with other products, is to add live microbes, but it's just slow to activate, very slow to break down, which is by design. Some people ask me, well, if I soak it in water and then apply it, will it work faster? And that really defeats the purpose of what we're trying to do here. We're trying to come up with very convenient products that you don't have to apply very often and you don't have to buy very often. One of its greatest attributes is it's tremendously concentrated. So you don't need to use a whole lot. This bag is a 6-pound bag. We offer it in 3-pound, 6-pound, 12-pound, and 42-pound. A 6-pound bag treats 2,000 square feet. If you think of the size of pile you'd need to have of organic matter to treat 2,000 square feet, it's big, and you can probably fit this in your glove compartment, for sure in your trunk. And so if you have big areas, Optimize is the most economical way to go, but you have to wait longer for results. But over time, it'll build that life in the soil and change everything about the porosity, diggability, and everything about the soil will change. So it works slowly, breaks down slowly, very effective over long periods of time. We're recommending twice per year applications, and at about, in the case of Optimize, 3 to 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. One plant that it's really tremendous on is our roses. This is an interesting rose. Most of you that are watching gardening videos probably know what an iceberg rose is. This is a dwarf version of iceberg rose called icecap. And whereas the iceberg will get 3 to 5 feet tall, sometimes a little taller than you want, the icecap will stay at about 2 to 2.5 feet tall. So on this ice cap rose, if you use Optimize, then I would also recommend some kind of organic fertilizer like our nourish-biosol. And we've done testing with Optimize by itself, Optimize with nourish-biosol, and Optimize with Maximize. When we used all three of those is where we got the best results, so that's usually what I recommend. But even Optimize by itself, again, if you're patient, will do the same thing as all three of them, but you might not see it in that first season of bloom.
Hey there, friends. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell. If you enjoyed this video, have any questions, or just want to say hi, let us know in the comments below. Want to learn more about our products? Then head over to our website, www.johnandbobs.com.